All right, it's working. Okay, it should be on. Let me just see here. Yep. All right, so we're back again, and it's the weekend. Made it through another week, and now we're gonna be cooking some breakfast. So we got some bacon cooking here, but I've already got some done. But today we're gonna try something different. So we've got some new ingredients. You got mayonnaise, which I've confirmed is in fact not a musical instrument. We have lettuce. We have tomatoes. We have some of that cheese from when we made tacos last time. And I was thinking we could do like a new kind of sandwich. Like a BLT with cheese. Perhaps you've heard of it. And that'd be pretty cool. So I'll get that together. We actually got a lot going on too. So I've been pretty busy this week, right? Mostly been at work. And what we're going to do now with the channel is we're going to take the Yu-Gi-Oh character decks and we're going to make them in real life with actual real cards from the TCG and the OCG, right? So that's going to be like super fun. So to get the money for the cards, basically I'm just going to like work more hours and stuff, and that'll help to get the cards, right? I've actually already gotten a lot of cards in the mail, and there's going to be more coming. And I'll keep working outside of YouTube to get the money for these cards, and then we can put the decks together in real life. Now, some of the cards are anime or manga exclusive, and they don't exist in real life. So I've had to take some creative liberties with carrying the decks over from the anime to the real life. And I've also made scripts for the duels in the show with how they would have gone if we actually used the real world rules, right? So what I'm doing is I'm making the character decks with TCG and OCG cards, and then I'm writing the scripts for the duels that the characters had in the show, only it's going to be reimagined with the real rules and the real cards, right? So it's going to be pretty fun, and that's going to be like a whole new video series. It takes a little bit of time for the cards to come in the mail, so while we're waiting, I'll do like previews of the script and the character decks. And then when the cards get here, we'll actually record the real duels with those cards, man. It's going to be fun. And then we're going to look at the character decks constructed with the real cards. So we have like a pretty good goal and something really cool to work towards. And it is happening in real time. Maybe it doesn't happen like overnight, but it is progressing. And that is really fantastic. Like definitely it's so much fun when you have like a goal to work towards and you can like see it materializing in real time as you go, right? But definitely if you want to start the day out, you're going to want to have a good breakfast. Now I've been let's go. I've been trying all kinds of new ingredients, right? So my friends told me about this lettuce stuff, and I mean, man, this lettuce isn't bad. So then somebody told me I should try tomatoes, and you know what? If lettuce was good, maybe tomatoes would be good too. It's getting hot over here. Let me take one more piece. Get over here. You're going on the sandwich. Take the grease off. We're taking the grease off and putting healthy lettuce and tomatoes on it. There we go. Alright, there we go. That's looking pretty good. Now we gotta get our mayonnaise. No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish isn't an instrument either. It's okay if you get a little bit of a mess. And we put some tomatoes on it. There we go. That's gonna taste pretty good. Put some tomatoes on. Lettuce. Looks like I'm tucking it in like SpongeBob. Tuck in the lettuce. Tuck in the tomato, SpongeBob. Oh, that's gonna look good. And then there you have it. Look at that. Oh no, I forgot something. You know what I forgot? The cheese. I can't forget that. Yeah. I'm gonna put some cheese on it. lettuce. Look at that. Now it's got like all these different food groups in it. It's got fruit, which is the tomato. It's got vegetables, which is the lettuce. It's got meat, it's got dairy, it's got bread, it's got everything you need. I'd say it's dang well perfect. Alright, but we gotta give it the taste test and see how it tastes, right? See how it goes. Look at the sandwich, I made it. It looks pretty good to me. Yep. That's pretty good. That's a good sandwich. I bet, you know, this is probably like the best sandwich I've made. Okay. Yep. It's good. I can't stop eating it. That's a good sign. I can't believe I actually got myself to eat something healthy that tastes good and I like it. Man, this is fantastic. So yeah, guys, we got lots of cool stuff going on. I'll keep you updated as more of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards come in, and we're gonna have so much fun. It's gonna be a great time, right? Catch you later.